Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about the GENTILE's two-dimensional taxonomy of motor skills. It focuses on two main dimensions, and those include environmental context and the function of the action. So to go deeper into the first dimension, environmental context, this dimension examines external factors affecting skill performance and includes regulatory conditions. So that includes stationary and in motion. So stationary is environment stays the same, for example, like shooting a free throw in basketball. And in motion includes environment that changes, such as catching a fly ball in baseball. And then there's another dimension of this called intertrial variability in environmental context. It's called intertrial variability, and then there's two for those as well. So the first one is absent, which the definition of that is the conditions are the same each time, like for example, like consistent tennis serves, and then the next part of that is present, which is conditions change each time, like passing a soccer ball in a game where everybody is constantly moving. When you combine these four together, you get the first one, which is stationary with no intertrial variability, which would be practicing free throws alone. The second one would be stationary with intertrial variability, which would be practicing different golf putts. The third one for this would be in motion with no intertrial variability, which an example of this would be hitting balls from a machine. And the fourth one would be in motion with internal variability, for an example would be playing a live baseball game. So the second dimension of this concept is function of action. So the definition of this dimension focuses on the goals of the skill, and that is split into two different categories as well. First one is body orientation, which is body stability and body transport. So body stability is the body stays in one place, like typing at a desk, and then body transport is the body moves, such as running. And the second part of this is called object manipulation, and there's two parts to that, and that is absent and present. So for absent object manipulation, it is no object is used, like a gymnastics routine, and present, which is an object is used, such as dribbling a basketball. So when you combine these together, you get four conditions just as the above. So the first one is body stability without object manipulation, for example, balancing on one foot. The second is body stability with object manipulation. That would be like typing at a desk. The third one was body transport without object manipulation, and that's like running a race. And body transport with object manipulation is like carrying a ball while running. So the application in motor learning control, GENTILE's taxonomy is very useful for designing training programs. You can use many different techniques with this, such as progressive training. You start simple with stationary tasks, and then you progress to complex in-motion tasks. Then you do targeted practices, such as focus on specific skills. And then also you can do performance analysis, where you break down tasks to identify areas of improvement.